In this video, we are going to discuss some of the tools that you can use during your financial investigation. So Google is your very useful friend. You can search about information, you can search information regarding any individuals or company that you are going to establish business relationship with. So for example, let's search one company that is Chicken Station Nepal. So Chicken Station has not provided me any kind of money for the promotion. Okay, so I'm just taking I'm just using it for the sake of example. So here you can find a lot of information. Okay, you can find the address of that company, right? Also you can also look at various photos to verify whether this company actually exists or not, whether this company is sale company or not. Okay, you have a lot of information. So it doesn't have any website here. Okay, you can check the phone number. Okay, so in this way you can verify all the information provided by this company in the account opening form during onboarding, right? Okay, you can check the reviews if you want to go there personally for launch or some kind of event. So this is one of the tool. Now let's talk about Google hacking. So Google hacking refers to use of advanced Google search operators for creating complex search queries to identify useful information. So let's look at some of the Google operators. Now if I type site column shioric.com, so this is our website, you will only get the result relating to shioric.com, right? But if you just let's say type shioric.com, you will get all the results. Okay, that may not be related with the shioric.com. Okay, but since this is a quite unique name, okay, you are getting a lot of result. So you can use this operator to search for a specific website or a specific company, right? So let's look at another operator in so in title, right? So in title is operator and we are searching the term Shioric. So this operator find the pages with a certain word, in this case shioric.com. So if we look at let's say if we search Apple, it will provide all the results relating to Apple only, right? So there is an Apple phone and you have a YouTube and other lot of materials. By using this operator you can search the address of any particular company. So let's type a Chicken Station here. As you can see, we get the similar result like earlier, but we can focus on the map. So as you can see, we get the map, right? So these are the some useful Google operator that you want to try it on your own. So now let's say if you want to search about some person, okay, then if you have access to social networking sites like LinkedIn, then you can get a lot of useful information. I think LinkedIn provides you a lot of information than Facebook, because in Facebook a lot of people keep their profile blocked or hidden. Okay, so here you can search any person that you want. Here you can search the name of any person. So let's type Elon Musk. I hope he has some LinkedIn profile. I don't think he has a LinkedIn profile, but yeah, let's let's search for some CEO of Okay. uh, Ratnaraj Bajrachari, so he's actually the CEO of Global IME Bank, right? So yeah, in this way we can search for different individual. Now let's suppose you want to obtain the financial information of any company. Then if you are in United States, you can go to this site. Okay, securities government, and you can search for any company. Okay, any public listed company. So I am looking at Tesla, sorry, Tesla filings on Edgar. Yeah, so you can go, get lot of corporate filings made by that company, and you can view the information. Okay, maybe here you can obtain the beneficial information of that company, right? In other countries, maybe that information will be available in, let's say, in their stock exchanges, right? So in case of Nepal, it's actually NEPSE. So Nepal Stock Exchange and Nepal Stock Exchange. Okay, so these are not the sites that I'm looking for. NEPSE official. Okay, let me type this one. Okay, so you can go through these companies, or you can just search here the company name. Okay, let's search for Nabil Bank. Okay, so you can get all the information about this company, right? So different companies, so different countries have a different stock exchanges. So in your stock exchanges, you will obtain the information of information about only those company which have been listed. So now another important thing, let's suppose you are allowing your customer to open account remotely, meaning through online. Now you want to track the IP address of that customer, right? Where that customer is actually located. Because in online account opening, customer can be anywhere and can open the account, right? So there might be a good chance that customer may be located in some kind of high risk jurisdiction and opening account from them. So it is very crucial that you verify the IP address to track the location of the customer. So this is called IP geolocation tracking, which helps you to identify information such as country, region, state, latitude and longitude of that city, zip and postal code, time zone, and many other information. So one of such site is IP2 location. Okay, so there are other sites also, and this site only allows you to search for limited number of IPs. So I am using here VPN because I don't want people to know my actual IP address. Okay, let's see if this site tracks my address actually. This is showing that I am connecting from Germany, right? But I am actually in Nepal. Now let's see if this site tracks my IP address accurately or not. So let's check what is my IP address. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so this is a IPv6 address, not IPv4, right? So I will paste this. Okay, so this is actually showing the country as a Germany, right? So by this way you can conclude that even if you are tracking IP address of your customer, there is high chance that some criminals may use their VPN and open and through that VPN they will open account in your organization. Because I am actually from Nepal, but this IP is showing that I am from Germany, and this IP will be recorded in your website. But still, tracking IP address helps, right? But again, this might not prevent some determined criminal, but for other cases you can use this kind of tools. Still, there are quite advanced tools that are available in the market that you can use to accurately pinpoint the customer. So this is it. So these are the tools that you can apply while performing your financial investigation or verifying information in KYC and CDD process.